Hello everyone, we are from Group 2 and we want to present about green technology and innovation. So, our presentation are divided into two parts, which is we want to discuss about similarities and differences between renewable energy, sustainable energy and green energy. And for the second part of our discussion is we want to explain the type of green energy, which is wind energy. So let's find out what the similarities between renewable energy, sustainable energy and green energy.
Alright, so I would like to share about the similarities between green technology, renewable energy and sustainable energy. So the first is environmentally friendly because it protects the carbon emission to the environment. So the problem of the environmental pollution can be reduced. The second is the resources are exhaustible because of the resources that are easily available, such as water, and there is no limit as well, and it also adapts to natural cycles. And lastly is it can be used for a long time because this method can be used permanently as long as there is still resources. So I think that's all for the similarities.
Have you ever wondered what's the differences between these three types of energy: green energy, sustainable energy, and renewable energy? For green energy, it represents the energy sources that have the least amount of environmental impact. For sustainable energy, it comes from energy sources that can't be depleted over time. They don't need to regularly replenished. For renewable energy, the sources can naturally be replenished. For green energy, although all green energy resources are renewable, not all renewable resources are considered green. For sustainable energy, neither resource needs to be created or replaced. A renewable energy source like bioenergy to create energy. For example, the green energy is wind energy. And for the sustainable energy, the example is solar and water. And the example for renewable energy is agricultural byproducts like straw and miniature.
Electricity is very important to people. We use it to power our homes, cities, trains, and cars. One of the best ways we can produce electricity is with the use of generator. Generator is a device that converts kinetic energy into electrical energy. Wind energy is one of the generators to convert kinetic to electrical energy. For example, windmill is one of the converters that use energy to spin its blade. The blade spins a generator that transforms the energy into electrical energy. Big advantage of wind energy is that it can be clean and renewable energy source. It does not require the burning of fuel and does not produce harmful emission into the air. It can be said that wind energy is an example of green technology.